Everybody, Lady B here. I just wanted to show you what I carry around in my van for a first aid kit. This is one of two toolboxes that my best friend got me for my birthday one year, several years ago. Yes, she knows me very well. And the other one is in the van with actual tools in it. You know how they say, never leave home without them. But anyhow, I use this one as a first aid kit. I have always had a first aid kit in the car since when the kids were little. And believe me, they're not little anymore. Anyhow, let me get to it and show you what I've got. And here I've got alcohol swabs, a couple of fingernail clippers, matches, more alcohol swabs, and some adhesive tape for first aid kit, or first aid tape. And in here, I wanted to show you, I did this backwards a while ago, had it all spread out all nice and neat. And I thought, they're never going to believe that all this stuff came out of this little box. Anyhow, let me show you. Taped to the lid, I have alcohol pads, butterfly closures, and a couple of iodine swabs. Swab sticks, I guess. And now let me show you. I got a bandana, all kinds of things here. Anti-itch, like a generic Orajel, burn ointment, Neosporin, and a generic Neosporin, but it says antibiotic and pain relief cream, and some urine for your eyes. These are different size gauze pads, from little bitty to great big. Got masks and gloves. These are different size bandages. Both of them are rather large, but they're different size large. And here are different kinds of band-aids, anywhere from knuckle bandages, fingertips, and regulars. And in here are different kinds of pills. We got anti-diarrhea, got allergy pills, Alka-Seltzer Plus, and these are sinus pills, because I have a lot of problems with my sinuses. As a matter of fact, I am right now. You might be able to hear it in my voice. Here are just regular bandages. Yes, I got the little snack size Toy Story bags for the kids. They didn't get but a few of them by the time they left. Got some Q-tips, some tape, and some of that tape that sticks to itself. I need to get some more of that. As a matter of fact, I've got some horse tape that I got from Tractor Supply that I need to put in here, if I can find room. Okay, in here is some ibuprofen. It's 200 milligram. And acetaminophen, 500 milligram. And some peroxide. Here are a pair of scissors, or two pairs of scissors, and some tweezers, and some ace bandages. And this over here is some kind of a sticky ace bandage. It does stretch a little bit, but it does stick. And I've really never experienced any of that or used any of it, but we'll see. And some Q-tips, and some more allergy pills. Guess I could take those allergy pills out, and that would give me a little bit more room for the horse wrap. But anyhow, I just wanted to show you all what I carry. And I do have a bug out bag. Ooh, I need to wipe the bottom of that out, don't I? I do have a bug out bag in my van also, and it has its own first aid kit in it. And I also have a trauma kit here in the house that I keep separate. And probably what I need to do is to throw the trauma kit in the car when I make trips. Because you all know me, it's hard telling when I'm liable to take off and go on the road again. But I just wanted to take a minute and show you what I carry as my first aid kit. Because you never know when you might need it. So we'll get off of here and we'll talk to y'all later. Y'all take care. And with everything going on around in the world, all the weather and everything, it's just crazy out there. Y'all stay safe. Y'all take care, and thank you so much for watching. If you wouldn't care to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all take care. Bye.